check out our shop, fernmouseshop.com. Link in the description. Love you. Hey guys, we made it to NY Luggage Store, you guys, which I don't think they really sell luggage here. I think it's honestly just big, like toys in general. But let's go in. You guys, we're here. Let's go inside. You guys, we found the fidget toy section. Oh my god. You guys, look at all of these fidget toys that they have. Look, they have Pop-It backpacks. They even have this like mini one. They have some Christmas ones, even though Christmas is not anytime soon, but Christmas. And then there's also, oh my god, look at the Hello Kitty ones. There's literally so many, you guys. There is, let's see, ooh, these super cool like big ones. You guys, look, okay, look at the rubber ducky. It's like the Statue of Liberty. Guys, we bought one of these last time we were here, and these are so cool. We love them. Let's see what else they have. Look at the big Among Us Pop-It. We actually got that last time. Okay, let's see what they have here. Look, a Fidget mystery box. Okay, look, a feet Pop-It. Let's see what else they have in here. They have so many, you guys. I don't even know what to. This is Sonic. I've never seen Sonic before. Some Huggy Wuggy, Lilo and Stick. We already have that one. Baby Shark. I've never seen Baby Shark in like a Fidget toy. Angry Birds Popper Ball. Oh my goodness, guys. These are so cool. We have this one. Okay, let's see that box over there. Let's see what they have over here. Oh, this one's nice. I like it, you guys. Oh my god, look. Popper Ball. Infinity Cube. Peppa. Let's take a look at these bags. They have Huggy Wuggy, Cheeseburger, Unicorn, Peppa. You guys, look at the Squishmallows. Oh my god, they have so many in here, you guys. They're literally packed. You guys, look at these. As there's honestly so many fidget toys in here. Like, they are literally stocked up.
Make sure to go subscribe to the Fern Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.